Okay, so it's a little bored here. We had a lot of snow, right? And can't go out and do nothing, so you get a little bit bored here. So we're gonna do a little bit of beer math, some beer math, okay? This is how we're gonna do it. First, we're gonna figure out how many beers a year we drink, right? So say you drank 10 beers a night, and you drank 2 nights a week, like Friday and Saturday, like I think that most normal people would do, right? So you go over here, right? Let's see here. My dog's chewing on my leg. My dog's chewing on my leg. She don't like me doing this, but anyway. Come on, Macy. Okay. So anyway, say you drink 10 beers a night, 2 nights a year, right? 2 nights a weekend, I mean. So you drink Friday night, Saturday night. I usually average about probably 10 beers, right? Give or take, which is a lot of beer, I think. But anyway, so you got 10 beers times 2 would equal 20 beers, right? A weekend, right? So you take the 20 times 52 weeks. That's 1,040 beers, right? Exactly, right? Then you got to throw in a couple of holidays, a couple weddings, maybe a couple picnics, right? So you do that. You're gonna throw in about, you got the old handy dandy, viewers, as I say, and we got the old calculator right there. Okay. So yeah, throw a couple more beers on, and then let's see. That would put us at let's put us at about, I'd say an extra, I'd say 160 beers, right, with the holidays, the parties, the picnics, whatever, right? So you got extra 160, right? So 160 beers, we have, that brings us to 1,200 beers, right? So we got 200 for the parties, picnics, all that good stuff, weddings, or whatever the hell you go to. Maybe you drink at funerals. I don't know. Some people probably drink at funerals or after the funeral, right? Who knows? Okay, so anyway, I hope you drink after my funeral anyway, huh? Right? So we do that, and that brings us to 1,200 beers a year. That's what he drinks, 1,200 beers a year. But the great thing about this is, okay, so if you break that down, now you have 52 weeks to see 10 times 2. So that means we drink 20 beers a week, right? So if I seen you 2 weeks ago and said, hey, Eric, when was the last time I saw you, right? What you need to say is, well, I saw you, say it was 2 weeks ago, I saw you 40 beers ago. If I didn't see you for a month, then you could say, hey, Eric, how long has it been since I've seen you? Well, that'd be, I saw you 80 beers ago. That's amazing, ain't it? We had 80 beers ago. Well, it ain't too bad. 80 beers ago ain't that long. It's only a month. Okay? Unless you got the parties and stuff, you got to add them in too. So then let's get out of here. Erase all of that. Now we know how many beers we drank, basically, and how many beers ago since the last time I saw you, right? And then we're going to have how many calories we drink when we drink beers, okay? First we have the old dandy dandy. We got the old craft beer, right? Which is, if you drink the amount of beer I was saying, which is 20 beers a weekend, you could drink 2,400 calories with a craft beer. I like to call craft beer dangerous beer, because that's when, like, I do stuff I shouldn't do and say stuff I shouldn't do. That's the old craft beer, you know what I mean? Although it tastes very good. I try to limit myself to just a couple of them. Okay, it's kind of like, not whiskey, but almost like it. But okay, and then what I got what you call is the maintenance beer. To me, a maintenance beer is like Miller Lite, Coors Light, and and any of the light beers are like 100 calories a piece, which ends up bringing you to about 1,200 calories a year. The craft beer at about 2,400 calories a weekend. That's a lot. You know what I mean? You got to do a lot of running, a lot of dieting in order to not gain any weight out of them. Then we got the old, the light beers like the Michelob Ultra and stuff, which you can cut your drinking down to about, you can end up cutting your calories down to about 600 calories, a night. Well, not a night, but that'd be a night. That'd be a weekend, I'm sorry. So anyway, that's your beer lesson for today, kiddos, So, and then obviously we got my dog, Macy, who was chewing my leg before. Say hello, Macy. Hello, Macy. Okay. She's sitting here listening to me, like she always does. And you guys have a nice evening. Here's your lesson for today. Channel 2 signing off.